in Beppu. Tokyo Paul here. I'm about to show you some interesting views. This is my strap, but for Beppu, the hot spring town in Kyushu, Japan. Here's the cityscape. Check it out. It's a mountain and stuff. Lots of stuff near the ocean. That Japanese garden from this view. The onsen and the hot spring mist. Say it wrong, that was steam. Check out that very chill fountain. I mean, you know, can I call it something? It's called waterfall. Oh, there's gold way down. Very hungry, they're very hungry. They see me, they see you. Wow. Steam, that's coming from the ground. It does smell, dude. Take my word for it. Called Kamado, a giant vat for heating hot spring water, dude. And then probably you'll see more smoke come out. Okama. See them everywhere around Beppu. Here in Oita. But I'm Tokyo Paul. I'm visiting Beppu, Kyushu, Oita. This one, this is another big one. It's huge, right? And it's red. Like it? Okama. So this is where I was at. And this is where you see the entrance fee. But look to the right. That's right. That's the red, blue, and brown. Yeah, like hot spring. Cool, right? Look, there's a little demon in there. It's got a little place to take your picture. And then they all decorated and stuff for Christmas. It's basically a hot spring theme park. If you like hot springs, you gotta come visit Kyushu. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. They got stone art and they're really good at it. It's a hot spring. Paul is here. I made it. It's blue. It's fenced off. It's a theme park. Japan's famous for its hot springs. You've never been to this hot spring. Demon, I'm here. Look at that. That's the demon. And that's the whole view of the demon. Hot spring demon. Hey, it's hot, 85 degrees C. What is that? Over 100 F? Dang. 1200 degrees. But C. CC says the demon. Story. The ogre. Legend is that the ogre at Nichome here ran away after being blinded by the sunrise here at this shrine, Kamado. And it's like Demon Slayer, the dragon god Eugene with a sword in its tail is always on the outlook for the ogre. Ogre got chased away. This is onsen hot spring water from here. Okay, you can drink it. Salty. Tastes like salt water. Like if you put salt in your water. Ah, steam baby. Whoa. Smells. It's bubbling. This must be the one, right? Down hot spring. It's natural. It's not coming from here. Well, you know, it's coming from. Reminds me of Yellowstone, but we're here in Japan. Oita, Kyushu. Two more. Ashiryu, right? Where you can put your feet in the water. People are doing it to the right. Here's where you can eat like onsen eggs and probably other stuff cooked by onsen. Yeah. Since identified as anamorphous silica. Ew. Guys, this one's even bigger. Look at this one. Holy moly. It's like really spouting out stuff over there. It's live. It's in Kyushu. And it is wild. Yo, Paul is here. Hey. Also share some pudding. They're like making corn, eggs, butaman, which is you know, pork buns, milk, chat green tea puddings. Oh, they even got sausages. And wow, heated butaman or pork buns that I always eat, but usually from convenience stores. And the famous onsen tamago boiled egg with soy sauce. You can have black and red pepper and matcha green tea ice cream. I thought, can I get a shot of that? Look, that is wild. No wonder we think like ogres or things live here. This thing's making some like a mess, you know? Something looks kind of mad inside the earth. But yeah, natural forces were taught in school. You can imagine it's like caused by these guys. So this is a pork bun. Thank you. And this is a pudding. I'll try just one bite. It's a pork bun. Try the pudding. Really sweet. This one looks like it's the brown one. Whoa, it's red actually. It's just really red water. Probably nothing living there. Let's prove I was here. Yeah? I ate some stuff. Really like this view. You can see the residential housing in the background of the theme park. Protector gave me, the small child, a hidden hand. Giant fences remind me of Jurassic Park. I guess because these are like natural cookers. The gift shop. Alright. They got funky little creatures here. One of these. They're $8, man. Yeah. Some famous people came here, signed. Oh, soy sauce. Kamado soy sauce. Only here. There's a different sauce like made of yuzu. Not soy sauce. People actually dressed up, but that was in 2020. Whoa. Like Demon Slayer style. Famous people. She's a famous comedian. Also in Demon Slayer style. I bought the Beppu t-shirt, $23. Cute dogs. More Beppu t-shirts. They have size small. I don't know their size XL. At $27. More t-shirts, bags. Shin-chan, what's up guys? You can get an original towel. Yeah, this would be good. It's a $4.50 cheap. Maybe not that one, but yeah. How about that? Like this would be a good present for your friends. Onsen hot spring towel. Oh, they got refrigerator magnets. Magnet is $5.50. Nice, right? Wow, a good one. 10 pieces, $7.60. It's just a cracker, and these are really cute, man. I want these. Tokyo Paul. Stop. My wife doesn't want me to get these, but I want these. $17. Smaller versions, which are cute. They even got models here of Kimetsu. Look at that. These are pretty cool. Oh wow, I didn't expect that. Oh my god.
The hot springs in Three-Cho are extremely moisturizing and beautiful.
Oh, this wall art looks fantastic. Never seen that. Cutest thing in the world.